your mobile library, or you can shoot on mobile, you can upload that file directly into Clipio. So I'll just upload a file real quick here. Let's do this video's outro. It doesn't take long to upload, depends obviously on the size of your video. And once that's uploaded into the platform, it'll now create a project we can start on. So we click create there, and we go straight into the canvas here to start editing this video up, which is one of our animations from videos. Now, I'm not going to edit that just now. I'll talk about the editor in a second, but that's the first thing you can do. You can upload your own footage. Now, if you are on Clipio on a mobile and you click on the upload button, you actually have the option to shoot the footage right there and then. So if you want to capture a quick video of your house or your garden or out at the beach or whatever, you can do that, and it will upload into your Clipio account. Now, the next thing you can do is directly import video from YouTube, which is really, really cool. Now, if you've got a video channel, for example, on YouTube, you can import all of your content, and you can then repurpose that for other platforms and other social media sites, which I'll show you in a second. Now, with our YouTube import, you can either search for things, so you can actually type anything in there and it will find videos related, or you can just pop in the actual URL, which I've grabbed here just at the top, a video of Lionel Messi for any soccer or football fans out there, and just click on add, and then Clipio will import that into the platform. So again, as you can see there, we've imported the YouTube video, and we can now edit this up. So we can add footage, we can add overlays and things like that. And I'll talk about that in just a second. So we can go direct from YouTube, which is really, really special. The other thing we've got as well is an integration with Giphy. So again, you can search out GIFs in here. So if I just type in funny, there we go. Okay, it will find lots and lots of GIFs related to that. And again, you can add these straight into Clipio, import them, and start creating a video with different GIFs. And then finally, we've also got a videos integration as well. So if you've got a videos account, what you're going to want to do is head over to the Your Account tab up at the top, go on to integrations here, and you will see the add integration option, and you will see the videos option to do that. And if you've got a videos account, when you go to click on add, it will ask you to log in. Once you log in, it will then pull all your renders directly into Clipio and make them available for you to import. And we can now pull in direct from videos. If I click on videos here, it's going to show the renders within my account, as you can see here. And again, I could click on any of this. So new template, click on add. It'll import that directly from videos and then allow me to create. There we go. There's the template. Let's take a look at this. Create project. We go into Clipio, and there we go. We've got our videos template ready to go. So that's how we essentially can import any type of video clip. So it literally allows people to be really, really creative with this stuff. Now, the other big integration we've got with Clipio, which we're really, really excited about, is stock. Okay, so we've done a deal with Shutterstock, huge company, to essentially allow our users to tap into their stock footage library. And we've got hundreds of thousands of different videos, images, and audio that can be pulled right into Clipio. So if I search for something here, like turtle, for example, it's going to search their library, and we can pull these videos right in. So if I go with this one, for example, click on customize this one, it's going to add it to our canvas and allow us to start creating video. Now, one thing to note is when you add a clip from Shutterstock, so you import just as I've done there, some of these clips can take a few moments to actually pull and import into the platform. And the reason for that is they all start out as .movs over at Shutterstock, and we convert those to .mp4s to again push those into our platform. Now, we've got hundreds of thousands of clips to actually do that with. So over time, all of these clips are going to be converted to MP4s while our users use this, and we cache these on our server. So if you are, again, playing around with this and you're importing a clip and it's taking a few minutes to import, don't worry, it is importing it. It's just a larger clip, and we're just converting that to an MP4. And once it's happened, you're going to come through to the editor we see here. Now, with the actual editor, let's move on here so you can see what we can do with the actual clips. Once you've got a clip in here, obviously it plays in here so you can check it all out. The first thing I want to show you is aspect ratios. Now, one thing we've done with Clipio and the editor is made it free flow, so you can actually move the clip wherever you want, and I've got it right now set at the standard aspect ratio of 1920 1080. Now, we again have aspect ratios for all of the social media channels out there. If you want square video, vertical video, you can do it right in here in one click. If I click on square and we go and create a Facebook ad, it's going to change the actual canvas so that we can create a video of that aspect ratio. Now, the really cool thing in here is we can now mess with the footage. So the media tab up here will allow you to scale the actual footage in the timeline, so we can scale that to how we want that to look within the actual square video. So when people are adding in different clips here, they can scale it and move it around to make sure the bit they want on the actual video is in there. It's really, really cool. Gives them total freedom. Now I'm going to go back to the standard aspect ratio here. So let me scale that clip back up real quick. There we go. Okay, so there you go. And I've scaled that up. So we've got a nice turtle eating some food. Now, the next thing I want to show you is Memify. So we've got our Memify bars in the actual platform as well. And you can add these in one click. So if I want to add at the top of mine, watch this video. Okay, this is how easy this is. Okay, I can change the text color. Let's go with the yellow. I'll go with a black background. Click done. And there we go. We've memified the video. We can do bars up and at the bottom as well, or just one at the bottom. Again, this is really, really cool for engagement. You can add these to any video. So again, if we're creating a square video, you can add these bars with one click as well. So that's the memify feature there. We've also got a quote feature built in where we can actually add random quotes to our actual video. So if people want to make quote videos, we've got a ton of quotes in here on lots of different categories that they can basically randomize and pull into the platform. Now we've got aspect ratios, which I've explained below. Now the next thing I want to show you is the actual editor, and down here we can add as many different clips we want. So if we click on add media, we can now search our Shutterstock library. So if I type in turtle again, it's going to search Shutterstock, so you can pull in lots of different clips. So I can pull in another clip on turtles. Let's go with this one here. Again, it's going to add, it may take a bit to add as it's being pulled across from Shutterstock there. But one thing to note on that as well, as I mentioned already in this video, every single clip that we pull from Shutterstock, like this one right now, what we're actually doing is converting that to MP4, caching that on our server. So the next time a user uses that exact clip, it's already cached on our server and we'll pull in instantly. Okay, so there we go. It's imported now, and it's always going to import at the end of the actual editor here. And you can scale this along as you grow your video. Now I'm going to trim down this particular clip a little bit here. Let's make that a little bit smaller and pull that clip in there. Let's go a little bit smaller still. There we go. So we've got 2 clips on the actual timeline now. And again, you can check the clips and then scale these out as you want. Let me just play that so you can see that. And we're starting to build a video, and we can be as creative as we want here. And this is just using these Shutterstock clips. Now, we can also add in, of course, videos animations, and we recommend you show this. So when we go across to videos here, let me search out one of my animations. New template, I think one's called. There we go. So I can add this one in here, and that's added into the canvas at the end here. So let's take a look at that. So there we go. We've got now a video's outro to the video as well. Now you'll notice the video's outro has audio there, and any clips you import with audio, you can actually control the audio of the clip just by dragging that down. Really, really cool. So I'm going to turn the audio off there because I'm going to add my own audio clip in just a second. Now one other thing I want to show you is our built-in text animations and text overlays as well. And we've got a ton of these that you can add in here. So all we do is click on add. It's going to add that into the actual timeline here. I can click on that and it's going to open it over here. We can now write whatever we want. So I can go, turtles are cool. This is a great video. Now, whatever you write in here, you can scale it out. So you can put as much text as you want. I'm going to go with a white. Let's go with white text. We'll go with white text there as well. And then the yellow box, I'll put thanks for watching. Let's change that to white text as well. And we've obviously got all built-in fonts here, so you can change all the fonts. I won't do all that now. Click on update. So that's going to update that text file. So let's take a quick look at this. There we go. Now we've got that in the middle of the video there. I want that a little bit bigger, so you can click on the animation, actually drag it and make it much bigger. I think I prefer it a bit bigger like that. Let's check out what that's like. There we go. Looks great. So again, users can get as creative as they want. Now the other thing I want to show you here is adding audio. So we've no music playing or anything in here. And again, with Shutterstock, we've got built-in audio. So if I just type in audio here, just type in fish, and you can type in anything. It's going to search audio out, and we get a ton of audio tracks. So we can listen to these. Okay, so you can go through and listen to them. That's a pretty cool one. I'm going to add this one into the canvas here. Okay, so that's imported now. I can then head over to our audio track here, and there we have it, and we can click play. And we started to